So I have a Toro SnowMaster 724. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly check the oil level on this machine. It's not that hard to do, but there's a little bit of a procedure to doing it according to the Toro manual. So if you have to check the oil level in your machine, you're just going to unscrew it on the side. You're going to take the dipstick out, you're going to wipe it off, make sure there's no oil on it. You're going to put the dipstick back into the crankcase, and you're gonna just let it sit there. Don't screw it down. Pick it back up, and you're gonna double check your oil level. This is really clean oil, so we're all the way to the high mark. If you're down here near the bottom, you want to add a little bit of oil to make up the difference, so you're back at the proper level, which is like right here. So when you're done and you're at the proper level, put the dipstick back on, screw it down. You don't have to crank down on it, just make sure it's snug, and that's all you need to do. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment and a question in the comment area. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching the video, guys.